Good morning, students. Welcome to the new session. I hope all of you are staying safe at your homes. Today, in e-learning class of computer science, we will do lesson 1. You have seen how the computers are used in our daily lives in all the fields, whether it is at home, office, school, mall, hospital, etc. Just as in school, different teachers teach different subjects. Different types of computers are used in different places to do different types of work. Means जिस तरह से अलग अलग टीचर्स अलग अलग सब्जेक्ट पढ़ाते हैं, उसी तरह से अलग अलग टाइप के कंप्यूटर्स अलग अलग काम करते हैं. A computer used in a shop for billing may not be suitable for a hospital or for research. Let us understand how the computers are classified. Types of computers. The computers are classified based on types of data they use, size and processing capacity, generation, purpose may be special or general. You already learnt in your previous class how the modern computer was developed. Let us learn how they are classified based on the type of data they use. Classification based on types of data. These computers are classified on the way they use and represent data. Data can be in digital 0 or 1 or analog continuous form. Classification based on type of data: analog, digital, hybrid. And digital further classified into two parts, that is special purpose and general purpose. Now, analog computers. An analog computer is used to process continuous data such as temperature, pressure, etc. It requires a continuous input of data. It operates by measuring these values rather than counting. Means मेजरमेंट के लिए एनालॉग कंप्यूटर्स का यूज़ करते हैं. जैसे ही इनपुट दी जाती है, साथ ही रिजल्ट मिल जाता है. These computers are fast but do not give very accurate results. Examples of analog computers are thermometer, speedometer, etc. As you can see in picture. Digital computers. Digital computer represents data as physical quantities with the help of digits or numbers. They use binary digits 0 and 1. These computers are used to perform arithmetic calculations and also take logical decisions. It works by counting. Means डिजिटल कंप्यूटर में डाटा डिजिटल और नंबर्स की फॉर्म में एंटर किया जाता है और इसे बाइनरी फॉर्म में कन्वर्ट किया जाता है. इन कंप्यूटर्स की हेल्प से अरिथमेटिक कैलकुलेशन की जाती है. The result of digital computers are more accurate than the results of analog computers. Example: desktop computers, laptops, etc. Data that we use. They can further be classified as general purpose or special purpose. General purpose. General purpose computers are those which can perform a variety of functions. These computers are versatile. Versatile means एक साथ बहुत सारे काम करना. Means इन computers के through अनेक तरह के काम एक साथ किए जाते हैं. Depending upon the software, various tasks can be accomplished such as writing and editing in MS Word, editing pictures in Photoshop, etc. Special purpose. Special purpose computer is the one that is designed to perform a specific task. Means किसी particular काम के लिए जब कंप्यूटर का यूज़ किया जाता है. The instructions to carry out the task are permanently stored in the machine. Such computers are not versatile. They can only perform the task they are programmed to do again and again. They are used for traffic light control system, weather forecasting, launching satellites, etc. Hybrid computers. Hybrid computers are computers which combine the features of both digital and analog type. This type of computer operates by counting as well as by measuring. It is fast like the analog and gives accurate results like the digital computer. Means hybrid computer में digital and analog दोनों computers के features use होते हैं. जहाँ ये एनालॉग की तरह फास्ट होते हैं वहीं डिजिटल कंप्यूटर्स की तरह एक्यूरेट रिजल्ट्स भी देते हैं. दे आर यूज्ड इन हॉस्पिटल्स. एन एनालॉग डिवाइस मेजर्स पेशेंट्स हार्ट बीट. These values are then converted into digital form. A digital device then checks the results for any abnormality. Classifications based on size. The computers are also classified based on the size, storage capacity, speed, processing speed, etc. as follows. Classification based on size: supercomputer, mainframe computer, mini computer, microcomputer. Microcomputers are further classified as desktop, laptop, netbook or tablet. Supercomputer. A supercomputer is a computer with very high speed and memory. It is huge in size, covering a room as you can see in picture. It is the most expensive computer. Means supercomputers की memory high and speed बहुत fast होती है. ये साइज में भी बड़े होते हैं और सबसे महंगे होते हैं. Their speed is measured in floating point operations per second instead of million instructions per second. Supercomputers are used for weather forecasting, molecular research, processing complex scientific data, etc., where a lot of calculations have to be done very quickly. Param 8000 built in 1990 is considered to be India's first supercomputer. Supercomputer Cray-1 built in 1976 was the first computer capable of performing over 138 million calculations per second. Means 138 megaflops. At present, Pratyush is India's fastest supercomputer. Peak speed 6.8 petaflops. Mainframe computers. Computers with large storage capacities and very high speed of processing are known as mainframe computers. Means mainframe computers की storage capacity बहुत ज़्यादा होती है और speed भी fast होती है. They were developed in late 1950s. They can handle the workload of many users at the same time. They have multiple processors and are mainly used in a networked environment in large organizations such as banks, railways, airways, hospitals, etc., where large amount of data has to be processed quickly. Means इन computers को network environment में use किया जाता है जहाँ सभी processors का data एक ही जगह इकट्ठा होता है. Examples are IBM Z series, PDP-10, etc. Next is mini computer. Mini computers are smaller than mainframe computers, both in size, speed and storage capacity, etc. They were developed in the 60s. They are versatile and can be fitted wherever they are needed. Means mini computers का size, speed and storage capacity mainframe computer से कम होती है और इसे कहीं भी fit किया जा सकता है. They are digital computers, generally used in multi-user system. Multi-users means जहाँ एक processor होता है और users बहुत सारे. Mini computers can support 4 to 200 users simultaneously. The users can access the mini computer through their PCs or a terminal. Means इसमें single computer को एक terminal कहा जाता है. The first successful mini computer was PDP-8, launched in 1964. Other examples are DEC PDP and VAX series. Next is microcomputer. They are the least powerful type of computers. They were introduced in 80s. They have a microprocessor as their central processing unit. They can be used by a single person at a time and are often called as personal computers. Means जो computers हम अपने daily life में use करते हैं वे mini computers ही होते हैं. इनमें एक ही processor होता है जिसे CPU कहते हैं. IBM PC based on Pentium microprocessor and Apple Macintosh are some examples of microcomputer. Microcomputer includes desktop computer, notebook, laptop, tablet, handheld computer, smartphones and netbook. Desktop computers. Students, we will study desktop computer in our next class. Thank you, children.